Welcome. If you're looking to delete your pronouns from your Instagram profile, you're in the right place. Whether you want a cleaner look or simply prefer not to display pronouns anymore, the process is quick and straightforward. Here's the updated step-by-step guide for 2025. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're on the main screen, head down to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and bio. Next, look just below your bio and tap on the Edit Profile button. This is where you can make changes to your name, username, website, and of course, your pronouns. Now find the field labeled Pronouns, tap on it, and you'll see the pronouns currently displayed on your profile. To remove them, simply tap the small X next to each pronoun you want to delete. If you have more than one, you'll need to tap the X for each one individually. Once you've cleared out all the pronouns, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap Done. This saves your changes and removes the pronouns from your profile instantly. Head back to your profile, and you'll see that the pronouns section is now empty. That's all there is to it. Deleting your Instagram pronouns takes just a few taps, and you can always add them back later if you change your mind. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with friends who might need a quick update. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Instagram profile your way.